Welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. Meet our chefs. She is sweet. And he is savory.
Hello guys, welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. This is the Savory part and I'm Chef Caesar, also known as the Brony Chef. Today, as you can see, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna make a delightful barbecue. It's kind of sunny, perfect weather, and you know, we're gonna make a really interesting one. We're gonna make three-way pulled pork. So let's go and check the ingredients. We're gonna make a dry rub, so it's gonna be really easy. We're just gonna get into a mortar, some mustard seeds, some sugar, and anise seeds. So here we have, we're gonna add some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne, more sugar, salt, cocoa powder, some pepper, some ground coffee. You know you like my ground coffee. We're also gonna add some Baileys, but we're gonna, roughly crush them with our hands. There we go. And we are gonna mix it. So here we have a beautiful pork butt. It doesn't actually come from the butt. So here we have some skin. So we're going to trim it. Here we already removed the excess fat. Now we're just gonna do our dry rub. And we're gonna let it rest for 2 hours.
(3:28 a.m.)
We're back! And it's done. Let's go and see how this maybe looks like. Look at this. This beautiful pink rim over here. Here we go. Delicious, soft, smoky, nice char on top. There you go. Magnificent. I know this may look a little bit unorthodox, but I really like pouring a little bit of my homemade barbecue sauce, recipe down below, into this beauty and just mix it. finally, after almost 8 hours, no wait, it was a little bit more, almost 10 hours-ish of smoking, plating, shredding, mixing, it's the tasting time. It smells wonderful. You know what? Sorry. I'm gonna do it the right way. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah. I know what I'm having for dinner today. It's really good. That smokiness, that's so juicy. Amazing. Thank you again so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, comment, like, and if you don't, still do it. Help us. It's free. If you like the video and you're actually making the recipe, send some pictures at our Twitter. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and if you consider, having a couple of cents over there just laying around, just, a couple of pennies, just keeping space over there in your car, in the wash, whatever, consider donating to Patreon. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh God, so good.